Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great. My dear students, we will discuss now about data models, which is very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations and computer related knowledges. Data model is a set of concepts that can be used to describe the structure of the data in database. Data model shows it will describe the structure of the data in database. Those data present in the database that will define the structure of the data. Data model shows logical model and how data can be stored, accessed and updated. These are the main three things which is defined in the data model. A data model a data model is helpful for understanding the data. A data model will define the user or any person about the total attributes of the data. Typical data model, that is hierarchical model, network model and relational model. Hierarchical model is in this model data is organized in hierarchical tree like structure. The data can be easily visualized. The records in database management system has one parent and many children. Like one example is here, it is the vehicle, two-wheeler, three-wheeler. Two-wheeler has bike and scooter. Three-wheeler has car, tractor, and a four-wheeler has car, tractor and minibus. Car will be then network model, many to many relationship is there in network model. Many to many relationship, so record can have more than one parent. One example is here, college, department, department 2, this is department 1, this is department 3. These are the branch of the college. Department 2 is having director, department 1 is having director, department 3 is having the same director. This is the same person who is belonging to the three departments. Network model in dbms represent as a graph where object types are nodes and relationships are edges. These are the nodes and these connecting path are the edges. Relational model, most widely accepted data model. Relational model is the most widely accepted data model. This is the collection of relations in form of rows, columns in 2D table. Each row known as tuple, each column known as attribute. This is student ID, name and branch. These are the relational model. Next one is object oriented. Combination of object oriented programming and relational data based model. This is the object oriented model. Float model is consisting of 2D array and do not contain duplicate elements, that is float model. This is the consisting of 2D array and don't contain any duplicate elements. Context model, it contains more than one model. Semi-structured data model, you can represent data here in flexible manner, like some entities with extra attributes and some with missing attributes. Somewhere it is having more than the extra attributes, more than its limit, and somewhere it is missing. The advantage of data model, it ensures that data. One last model we had left, now we are going to discuss it, that is ER model. It is the high level of data model. It is called as entity relationship. That means that ER is called as entity relationship model. It describes the structure of database. It is pictorial form known as ER diagram. Its pictorial form is known as ER diagram. Components of ER diagram, that is entity, entity set, attribute and relationship. One of the example is here, that is this is the employee, employee ID, name and date of joining. This is work in which company, that is the company is having registered number and name. This is the all about ER diagram, which is having entities, attribute and relationship. In this diagram, every relationship is standing here for briefing the ER model. Then we are going for advantage of data model. It ensures that data is represented accurately. The relationship diagram, relationship between data is well defined. Data redundancy can be minimized. Security of the data is not compromised. Disadvantage is in big database it is quite difficult. This one is important one. We have to know the characteristic of physical data for building a data model. This is all about data model. Thank you. Take care.